So now we're going to another adventure. At the back, that's my family there. Martin's driving the motorbike because he wants adventure. And then family is in the, on the truck. Driving along Bantayan again, going to Santa Fe. We actually rented a house, like Airbnb. And it's called at the back of Barangay Okoy. And it's a lot cheaper to do it that way. And just rent a motorbike or a tricycle to go to the beach. But there's also beach in where we are, but it's not that clean. So we're going to Santa Fe because that's where the best beaches are. The beaches and bitches. See? Oh, they're so far. That house is there. The last time we were here, dyan kami tumira. Airbnb din. Wow, ganda naman ang yung weather today. It's too hot, but it's okay because even if it's too hot, it's windy. This is their cemetery there. Filipino cemetery. Welcome to Bantayan! Here in Bantayan, like that.
Like what?
Where the Yolanda strikes.
Like what?
Year, what's year to it?
3 years na.
Oh, it's more.
2014. And that house was also the damage.
One of the casualties. Now,
What's the same?
I don't know. We're
Then
just
you
here in
speak.
Bantayan.
I'm going to buy this
video?
house.
Your video.
I'm going to buy this house and I will use it for firewoods.
Oh.
Firewood.
Hello. What are you gonna say?
We are here in Bantayan and
Playing the tourist.
Diri din nag-high school si
here's
John sa
our
driver.
driver honor, the boss,
Official driver of the Martins group.
the boss. And here's our
Wait lang, I will take.
So how's your experience in Bantayan, Kaloy?
Nice. Tommy always fall. So, full of salad. Because of vegetable salad mixed with red horse.
What is that? What are they watching now? The church, the oldest church in Bohol. There you go. Kita nyo guys na parang bago yung yung parang story niya kasi nasira to nung Yolanda. And then they rebuilt it. Right, Dong?
That's absolutely 100% correct. Correct.